Firstly, hi bro, how are you?
Yeah, hi Vivek, and I'm from. What about you?
Yeah, I'm very much fine. Firstly, I would like to thank you personally for taking parts from your time and taking part in my YouTube channel and sharing your experiences. I feel this will
Yeah,
be useful for whoever is watching this video and especially juniors.
yeah, it's my pleasure, buddy.
Yeah. So let's start with the discussion. Okay.
Yeah, okay, sure.
Yeah. So please, before we go into the video, please introduce your branch and your specialization.
Yeah, hey everyone, this is Sujit. I'm from ECE background, and I'm from Electronics Communication Engineering, and I'm from VITAP University.
Yeah. So please carry on. Which company are you placed in, and job role
Uh,
and everything? Please tell us.
I got placed in Tata Consultancy Services, which is probably known as a TCS, and my designation is Assistant System Engineer Trainee. Uh, this is a company that I got placed in through campus placements. Right now,
Okay.
I have joined in the company and I'm doing my job right now.
Okay. So, was it converted from an internship to job, or was it directly a job role?
It is a full-time job role. It's not a like a internship mode and conversion, not like that. It's a full-time opportunity.
Okay. Okay. Great. Great. So, yeah, let's go on with the company specific questions, Sujit.
Yeah, sure.
I think you would have started working with TCS. Could you share your experiences about what work you are doing and what they are teaching you and things like that?
Yeah, while joining into the company, they will undergo with the basic training, like they will give training based on the business skills and soft skills like
Mm-hmm.
thing. And after getting placed into the company, they will give some explore learning courses. So meanwhile, they will conduct some exams for to gain incentives. So if we score 80 plus in the CPA exams, CPA means camera proctored assessments. So if we score 80 plus in the CPA, there will be a training. You will undergo with a 1 week training. That is a big skill training. They usually call. So whoever scores in the CPA, they will give some specific time before joining. So if you
Mm-hmm.
score in 80 plus in the CPA, you will go undergo with a 1 week training. If you are not scored 80 plus, then you will undergo 3 week training. Those are first week consists of a business skill training. Second week, the technical training will be given. And in the
Okay.
third week, they will give a revision on the explore learning courses. So they will allot some 9 courses like thing. So they will give a brief revision on the courses that are given in the explore learnings.
Okay, okay, great, great. So, TCS NQT is one of the exam which most students like to take, and because TCS is very free company, and the environment which they produce is very ambient. Many students would like to take part in TCS, and especially the national qualifier test. So, please share your experiences about what is the exam pattern and how you took place, how it took place, and what were your experiences.
Exam pattern and thing, there were basically 2 rounds. One is a written round, and after the written round, when you reach the cutoff, you will undergo with a technical interview and a HR interview. Both will take place at the time at one time only. So while coming to the written test, the written test consists of verbal ability, which is of 24 questions, and reasoning ability 30 questions, numerical ability 26 questions, and programming logic 10 questions, and hands-on coding is two hands-on coding will be there. So there will be a specific time allotted for each section. So we need to complete the aptitude question, whatever the questions they were asked, we need to complete in the specific time only. There were no negative marks for that. That is a good thing we have.
Yeah.
So after writing all the, it's around 2.5 hour to 3 hour exam. So after attempting the exam, we can they will announce the results, and you can undergo with the technical interview and a HR interview. So while coming to the technical interview, there were questions like general basic questions. So the basic questions they will ask in the format, not in a particular format. It depends on the interviewer. So in my case, what they have asked means, the first they have asked me about my internship and work experiences. So After explaining my work experiences, they were asked like, what are the projects you have done? So how you done those projects, and how what are the challenges you have faced while you're doing those projects? How do you achieve those challenges?
Mm.
Like these kind of questions were asked in the project kind of a base. So after this, they were asked questions like, what are the skills that I mentioned in my resume? So some basic programming questions related to theory and those things, and they were asked. They have given some basic logic, so that that logic we can explain. Some kind of a logic they have given, so that logic we need to explain. And after that, there were questions on our certifications. So whatever the certifications that we have mentioned in our resume, there were
Resume.
questions on the based on the certifications. After that, there were some general questions like, what you will do when you are free, how you will utilize your free time, how do you manage your work, like that. There were questions on the basic HR interview questions. So what you are expecting from the company. So what kind of environment you like? So there were questions like those questions that were asked in the HR. And I
Mm.
would like to add one more question. There were questions based on the situation based questions. So
Okay.
while coming to the situation based questions, they will give one situation, and they will ask us to how do you react in that situation, and how you will face the situation, how you will solve the situation. So this is the three things that their main target. So we need to answer according to the question. So these are the questions that they were asked. It's around a totally 15 to 20 minutes interview that they have conducted for me. So
Mm.
these are the things that happened in the interview.
Okay. So yeah, and was the technical and the HR interview same or different rounds?
Yeah, those two rounds are the same only. First,
Okay.
they will ask like alternatively, they will ask, we don't know, that depends on the totally three panel members will be there. So we don't know
Okay.
what question will raise at any time. So we need to prepare for the both while giving an interview. It would
Mm.
be better if we prepare for both the technical and HR, so that it will be more helpful for the students who appear the TCS interview.
Okay. So this was one of the first company which came for a campus placements. How did you prepare for this specific company? Sources or for your preparation?
Yeah, sources. I used to refer online sources, and while coming to the aptitude part, I have prepared R.S. Agarwal book. I have prepared questions from the R.S. Agarwal, and I used to solve some gate questions. Gate,
Mm.
some kind of gate standard books will be there, right? So I used to prepare some of the aptitude questions from there. So these questions helps me a lot. I found similar models like a kind of a questions from the gate book itself.
Okay.
So this helped me a lot to solve to clear the written test and some basic programming knowledge. So the basic programming knowledge for that, I used to follow some YouTube videos like that. I will provide the links if you want to give that. You can give in the description.
Mm.
Yeah, those are the some YouTube videos, some standard books, and professors who gave me training. So these
Mm.
are the resources that I have prepared. While doing the preparation, it is a very most important thing that we should put in our mind is, so we need to, whenever we are preparing, we need to majorly concentrate on the basics. So the more questions in the interview will be on basics only. They will ask simple questions also. So what we generally think means interview means they will ask some higher level questions, like kind of we will think, but it's not correct if you think in that way. They will ask, even though they will ask in some basic questions also. Sometimes we are unable to answer because we feel
Exactly.
tensed, and we are in a confused
Pressure.
what, yeah, under the pressure and stress. So it's always a good suggestion from me is to clear with your basics. So if
Yeah.
you have a clear idea on your basics, then you can easily crack the interview. This is the suggestion that I would suggest to the juniors or anyone who is applying for the this drive. So
Placement.
it will
Yeah.
be more helpful for them.
Yeah. So one more doubt is, Sujit. we were given two questions in the NQT, right? So
Yeah.
should we answer both the questions, coding questions, or one or nothing? What was the criterion?
Yeah, actually, we need to attempt the two questions, but it's better to complete the two questions. But scenario we can't expect actually. The evaluation scheme, we don't know how they are going to evaluate. My
Correct.
suggestion is to solve the two questions and try to make all the test cases passed, so that we can be confident. So I have solved all the questions. I have attempted correct only, so that we can
Hmm.
expect a call from them, return back call from them.
Okay. So in your circle, were any people who solved only one question and got qualified in NQT?
Yeah, there were cases like that also, but we
Okay.
can generally we also don't know. Whenever we ask our
Yeah.
friends, they will say that I used to solve only one questions like that. But
Yeah.
the what was the exact evaluation scheme? We also don't know what they are going to do, like how they are going to doing that. It's all, I think, a
Yeah.
system generated, so we can't take a chance over there, because it's our future's step we are going to take. We will be more careful in those cases. We can't make a
Hmm.
chance. Like if we lose the chance in the written test, there were no door to enter into the those companies. So if we
Correct.
disqualify in the written test, it will take more than it will take around 6 months to apply for that company. We need to wait for the 6 months, and we need
Correct.
to do that. So it is a waste of time. So it's better to attempt all the questions and perfectly, so that
Hmm.
the thing, whatever may it happen, it will happen.
Okay. So did they tell you which topic will you be dealing with once you join the company? Field or work of area?
Yeah, it's totally not on our interest. It's all depends
Okay.
on the based on business requirements. They will allot it, but they were
Okay.
given chance. They will make an offer if you are interested. Are you interested or not? So that we can decide. As of now, we can decide that, but based on the business requirements only, they will do that. If we get chance also, if you get chance or not also, it doesn't matter. If they give project, they will give some specific training on the project, so we need to
Okay.
work on the project. So sometimes you will get chance to choose a project, or sometimes you also won't get any chance like that. So
Yeah.
it's better to prepare for everything.
Okay. So did you choose the language which you'll be working with, like Java or anything, or that will be also provided by them?
That's also based on the project only. So whatever kind of
Okay.
a project we'll get, they will give training. So no need to worry. I
Okay.
think while giving the project offer itself, they will mention that we will give specific
Mhm.
training. Don't worry like that. So we can, whenever we undergo with the training, we can get some knowledge. They will give KT knowledge transfer. They will give. So by
Yeah.
doing all these things, we can work in the project. So
Mm.
if you want any help, you can ask our project teammates, project managers. They were very much friendly with everyone. There is no kind of a hierarchy like I'm your supervisor, I'm your project manager.
Manager.
There
Correct.
were no kind of environment. That kind of environment will not be there. Everyone is equal in the company. Everyone will help to each other in the uh, from the point of a knowledge. So it's good only to take the projects, and it's better to be in a project while being on a bench, so that we can
Okay.
learn something. It might be useful for us also to gain some more skills like that.
Correct. Correct. Yeah. So yeah, this was a correct explanation, I feel. Going on with the next topic, Sujit, preparation kind of topics.
Yeah.
Every software company has various dependencies like requirements. For example, one software company might have asked for SQL or JavaScript, etc., and other company would ask for Java, etc. That softwares might differ. So in these
Yes,
kind of
yes.
scenarios during placements, how to prepare? What did you do during your placement preparation?
So, what I so first of all, I would suggest doing a basic one basic programming is required for every company. So
Hmm.
programming skills are the basement of the software employee. So basic
Hmm.
programming skills are required for every associate or every employee. It's a blind requirement.
Yeah.
So better start preparing for the basic programming skills. Like one programming language is
Mhm.
required for to appear for any software company.
Mm.
So after this, if you are very much interested, we need to do some background verification about the company. So like
Mm.
in their website, they will provide currently what they are doing, what are the technologies that are the company is using, how is the market growth of the company. So by looking at those things, we can do some we can, if you are interested in some of the technologies like IoT,
Mm.
artificial intelligence, machine learning. So by looking their company's website, we can decide that whether they are working on this, what is the requirement that they need in their company, so
Yeah.
that we can prepare that also. But I would suggest basic preparation is important for each and every company. So while doing for example, if we are attending through our campus placements, there were many companies coming in the single day itself. We have many interviews. We don't
Correct.
find time to prepare for a specific company. It's always suggestible that do a preparation for all the companies, so then you can save the time. So if you have
Mm.
1 hour time also, we can refer with the company website, so that in that short period of time we can concentrate on some of the major things. So
Other
if you
company. Yeah.
do some basic preparation on the technology, current technologies, what are the trending technologies, if you have an idea, it's always suggestible to do the basic and the generalized preparation is suggestible for all the juniors
Mm.
and all the appearance peers.
Yeah. Yeah. I got it. So, this is the final stage, Sujit. Many students are preparing themselves for preparation. What would you like to suggest them? Because mostly in a 1 month or so, they will be facing preparation. Any last minute tips you would like to share with these people?
Yeah. Any last tips means basically when we are going for an interview, we should always put this point in our mind. Our resume is our question paper. This is the major thing. So whatever we are mentioning our resume, we need to be some clarity on that. So for example, if we mention Java,
Mm.
so we should be aware of the Java. So we should know the some things in the why I have mentioned means. So we should have some reason. So our resume is our question paper, I can say. So
Exactly. Yeah.
there were no questions where we asked from out of the resume. Whatever the things we have mentioned in our resume, that questions will be only asked. So while some of the mistakes that I have done before getting into the TCS also, uh, I have directly went for the interview without preparing about the projects. So this is the major drawback that I have faced. So
Mm.
after attending the interview, I have taken the feedback and I have analyzed all the things where I have done the mistake, so that I can realize that I have done in the project's explanation mistake. So it's
Mm.
always better to prepare some note for each and every project that you will mention in your resume. So
Yeah.
based on the note, you can perform well in the while explaining the projects and all those things. So I would suggest whatever you are mentioning in the resume, you should have clarity on that and why you are mentioning it. So it's always suggestible that to have a work experience or internship kind of things. So majorly projects and internships are the most are the important things, and skills. These three areas will play an important role in the interview, and
Mm.
we should know all the things that what you are mentioning in our resume.
Yeah. And one more question is, should a student who ever got placed in two or three companies, should he see CTC or should he see a company, company's reputation or company's name and select his company? What do you think according to your perspective?
Yeah, that's totally depends on the individual thinking,
Yeah.
individual opinions. So according to me, it's better to be a as a fresher. It's better to be a part in a big MNCs where we can grow our career. Some projects some companies will give more CTC also. The work will be different. They give some. Support roles like that, so we can't
Yeah.
learn anything from the support roles. So
Correct.
it's better to see our growth as well as CTC also. If they will allot 9 hours to 10 hours work, if they pay some 1 lakh also, it's not reasonable. So always it's most important to see the career growth of the company as well as our growth, how we are growing in the company. This is the
Mm.
most important thing. And in the second, while coming to the second important thing, CTC also matters. We will stay in cities and CTC also matters, but it's totally depends on the individual
individual.
decision.
Yeah. And one more thing. So many people are getting tense that they might not get placed, or in the, when placements are going to finish, they are worried they might not get placed.
Yeah.
During these scenarios. So what do you suggest them from your experiences? Even I have seen many scenarios. So what would you suggest
Yeah.
from your experiences?
Yeah, I would suggest not to be discouraged ourselves. We should be self-confident while attending the interviews. All
Mm.
our friends are getting placed. Why I am not getting? Even I have a more CGPA than the person who got placed. I have more
Mm.
skills like that. So just wait for your time to excel the world, to see the world, and to see your success. So I would suggest not to discourage themselves. While attending the placements, we will see many situations around like our parents and friends.
Yeah.
They
Yeah.
were asking that when you will get job, when you will see you have a lot of CGPA, highest
Correct.
CGPA. These kind of talks we will listen, but don't discourage yourself. Just believe your hard work and try learning from your whatever. If you have attended the interview, try to make note of all your mistakes and make a note of your own feedback that how you perform the interview, so that
Mm-hmm.
we can rectify each and every mistake to the next company. So if we
Yeah.
do like that, we can reduce all our mistakes to zero, so
Okay.
that we can perform in a good company. The opportunities are like it will depend, it will come. No need to worry for the opportunities. The colleges will try their level best to get placed to all the students to get the placements. And also I would suggest for the students, not only concentrating on the on campus, better you try parallelly off campus drives also. It would be suggestible, and we should be it's a good habit to appear off campus drives also. We can face a different kind of situations in the off campus drives. While
Yeah.
attending the on campus, we can find some differences. So it's always suggestible to parallelly apply for the off campus, on campus. So whatever the opportunity you get, never neglect the opportunity. Uh, you can utilize the situation and
Yeah.
apply for the company.
Correct. I agree with that, Sujit.
Yeah.
So would you like to add any final point before we wind up this discussion, Sujit?
uh, Before going to never ever discourage yourself. So self confidence is a major thing you should have at this time, at this tough times. So you
Mm.
should be always confident. You should be in always a positive thinking mind, so that
Mm.
you will achieve your goal. This is the thing
Yeah.
that I would like to add.
Exactly, Sujit. I completely agree with that, Sujit. And yeah, so let me wind this video up. Thank you so much, Sujit. Especially again, even in the first of the video, I thank you, and again, I would like to thank you for sharing your experiences about placement preparation. I am pretty sure this will be useful for the students who are watching this and who are ready to attend their placements. And yeah, Sujit, thank you so much again.
Yeah, I would like to say thank you to also through your YouTube channel. I can these points can reach out to all the students so that they can
Yeah,
utilize.
no problem.
Even I
Yeah.
faced during my interviews, I suffered a lot, and
Mm.
I feel some discouragement like that. So never don't discourage yourself. Be a self-confident person and a positive thinking mind. You can achieve your goals. Don't worry
Yeah,
that. Thank you, Vivek, for giving me this opportunity to take a part in your YouTube channel.
my pleasure.
And
My pleasure.
it's my glad to be a part in your YouTube channel. Thank you.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay, Sujit then. Bye bye.
Bye, buddy. Bye.
Yeah.